Hey everyone, this is Ars from Ars Dent Repair. I got this beautiful looking Saab convertible with this nasty looking dent right on the quarter panel. I would say about the size of maybe a grapefruit, maybe a bit bigger if you look at it in a reflection of the light. You can see it's got a nice dent right here, and there's a nice buckle right there. I want to start the dent repair with the cold glue pulling. Pull this portion right here, and then you will see that the buckle will decrease in size. I'm going to be using a regular cold glue. It's one of the first cold glues that came out on the market. I prefer to work on it low, just like that. It gets flexible once it's warmed up, and it does pull better. That's what I noticed. I think it's about 30 degrees outside. Now it's nice and warm. So let's take a look at what we got here. This is what we got after our initial cold glue pull. We have a dent over on this side, a dent over on this side, and then we still have a buckle, but yeah, as you can see, it's got so much smaller than before. So what I want to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and do some of hot glue pull on this both areas, both spots, and then once I do the hot glue, do a little bit of a knockdown work, and then go from the back side with the tooling and finish up. So let's go ahead and place our glue tab. I'm just gonna go ahead and place right here, right there. That should be good. Let's see if it's good to go. There we go. Nice pull. Perfect. Right. So this is what it looks like. I know what you're gonna say, it's not perfect, totally understand, but right now what we did here, we'll build the surface, we can do our knockdown work, and then we can go ahead and do some pushing from the back side. All right. For this specific job, I decided to use this tool right here. This is a stem liner hook tool. They call it pirate hook. It's one of the shortest, smallest pirate hook tools. 21 inches and a half. That's the length of this tool, and it's 5/16 in diameter, I believe. Has this nice polished tip right there. Anyhow, guys, check out this tool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you guys can check out this tool. If you don't have one, I would highly recommend getting one of this.